We've already made a cute rattle, and now let's crochet a scarf. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop. And a chain. In the second round, we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. Then we make 2 rounds without changes for 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. And in the next round we make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch, a chain. Leave the long end and add fiber fill. Then take a needle and close the hole for the front sides of loops of the last round. And make the second detail in the same way. Then take another yarn, make the first loop, and then we make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. and then we crochet extended single crochets. Sew the scarf to the penguin to make the toy safety, and the rattle is ready. I hope you've liked the tutorial. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.